Hi, my name is Evan Archella, and I'd like to show you some tips and tricks for Microsoft Live at EDU. Let's look at categories and tasks in Outlook Live. This is the Outlook Live interface. In the message pane just over to the right-hand side here, you'll see a vertical bar. It's a little icon. That's our category icon. Now, like rules, categories, and we'll look at flags here in just a minute, these are all tools that you can use to get organized within your inbox. You can think about a category as really a visual cue or an identifier that you put on an email, a calendar item, a contact, that lets you know that those items relate to each other. So, for example, I could take a message that came in related to a friend or family member, and I could mark it with a yellow category in this case. So when I go through my inbox, I see a yellow category like you see down here. I know that those messages relate to friends and family, and I don't actually have to read them all to know that. I can really look for the color and zero in on the information. You can do the same thing within your calendar and within your contacts. Now, this message that came through here is about our class project on SkyDrive. Now, that's related to my business class, but I don't have a category here for class project. So what I can do is manage category. Go ahead and click Create New Category and type in class project. Now from here I can go ahead and I can select a color for that particular category, click OK, and I've now added that category to my category list. Now all the categories you see here are categories that I've customized. When you first come in here, what you're going to see is blue, yellow, red, green, and so forth. There's not really a rename option here, so what I did was I deleted the existing categories and I recreated them based on the exact title and color that I wanted to use. What I'll do now is click OK. I'll exit back out of that management window, click the category icon again, and now I'm going to select Class Project, which is the one I just created. And you can also select multiple categories. So this is a class project, but it's for business class. So I could also select that category as well. Now you'll see that I have the color category applied to that message. I can easily search for that color, look for it, find that information very easily. That's color categories. Now just to the right of that, you'll see a flag. Now flags, we're talking about flags, what we're really talking about is following up. So this is an action. It's something I need to do. The question is, when do I want to do it? If you right-click that flag, you'll get a number of different options you can pick. Let's just say I'm going to do this tomorrow. So I've flagged the email message for action or for follow-up tomorrow. If I go over to tasks, what you'll see is that email has now shown up within my to-do list in tasks. So anything you flag within your inbox, you will automatically get an item in your to-do list. It's now something then that you could follow up on. You could put a reminder on it. It gives you an actionable item. Now the task view is also nice. If you're sitting in class and a professor gives you an assignment. So let's say, for example, you need to read chapters 1 through 3 in your textbook, and you need to do that by next week. So you go ahead and select the date, add the task, drops it down into your task list. So now you've got a task that you've kind of created on the fly there. You can then put a reminder on this. So if I haven't done this by Monday, for example, go ahead and give me a pop-up reminder and let me know that I need to take care of that particular assignment. Let me give you a few resources for Live at EDU. Microsoft.com/live at EDU is the main Live at EDU website. You can learn more about the program there. You'll also find the Live at EDU blog to be a useful place for learning about what's new with these tools, things that may be coming along, different changes that we're making. You'll also find help.outlook.com to be a helpful place for the Outlook Live application itself. This is the same place you can get to if you go to the little blue circle with the white question mark in it within the Outlook Live application itself. Both ways will take you to help.outlook.com. Also, if you go to Bing, do a search for Office Web Apps Product Guide. You'll get a detailed PDF on all the features that are included in our Office Web Apps applications, which are now integrated into SkyDrive, which is another Live at EDU technology. Thanks again for your time today. I look forward to having you on another screencast.